gentlemen, welcome to T-Line. This is an actual bottling line. This is your chance to take home some of that liquid you guys smelled and tasted, or mostly just smelled. With that being said, what I'd like to do is show you how to do this. The same price in our gift shop, $59.99. This is some of our Knob Creek single barrel select. If you'd like a bottle, what you do is you grab it off the line just like you saw me do. You're then going to walk on over. They have some stickers right on over there. Those stickers, you're going to place it on the shoulder of your bottle, not the front, not the back, not the butt. That's for labeling purposes. You'll then put your initials on the sticker saying this is my bottle, or your name, or some sort of indicator saying this is my bottle. You'll walk on over. You're going to rinse this bottle on out. What do you guys think we use to rinse our bottles on out? We do not use water. We use bourbon. This is 120 proof. It's a very unique, good stuff. We don't want to proof it on down. So we're going to use actual bourbon. We'll rinse it on out, just like I'm going to do right here. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I have to tell you all this. Please do not drink this liquid. From there, once you rinse it on out, you're going to take it, you're going to place it on the line. It'll go on the line. It needs to have the Knob Creek small batch facing these fine gentlemen. Watch it go on down the line. It'll get to the end. This is where something very unique, cool you guys get to do. We're going to dip it in wax, get the stick your thumbprint on the top, make it your own bottle. For my couples, take your pinkies, make a little heart at the top, very cool, unique stuff. Any questions on that, guys? All right. You'll place it on the line just like I'm doing right here. If you guys would like to do that, now's your chance. Go on ahead. There is a limit. We can sell you up to 12 bottles. And yes, we did have to stop somebody as well. You laugh, but I'm very serious. It happened last week. Stickers do go on first, yes. Single barrel select, because it is gravity. This is an actual line. We didn't just slow it down for you all. No. So different bottles do different speeds. I'd say they go anywhere from 200. Very, very unique. But you'll see why when it gets filled on up, why we have to be so slow with this. Yes, that is the same stuff you guys just poured on out and smelled and only smelled.
I'm going to cut across quickly.
Yes, this is exactly that. For those that have seen store picks at like Liquor Barn, Total Wine and Spirits, any sort of liquor store you may go to, they'll come on through here and they'll actually pick out a barrel. This is exactly.
Get these filled up for you. machine, so label, we'll put 3 labels on there for you. It's gonna be a little hard for y'all to see it and have them to buy. Basically, when the bottle's turning, it should be putting a label on it.
As these bottles are going around, guys, step together on it real close. I'm gonna need you all for your thumbprints and our pinkies here in just a second. Yeah, exactly. I'll make a nice little heart.
On the side?
It'll go on the top of the Knob Creek bottle. It'll go right up top of here.
Alright, as your bottles come out, Devin and I are going to place a little piece of tape around the top, and that's going to be your full tag. It'll come back in that bottle a lot easier. Then I'll dip it twice in this black paraffin wax. We keep it about 200 degrees, and then put it through this chiller, and that cools it down and imprints that Knob Creek logo. And then I'll dip the top one more time, and we're going to step over there with John, and he'll walk you through your thumbprint on top.